Tired of endless chores? The world of smart home cleaning is evolving rapidly, and in 2025, selecting the perfect robot vacuum mop combo is more critical than ever before. Brace yourself for a major industry shake-up, as iRobot, the maker of Roomba, recently filed for bankruptcy and was acquired, fundamentally changing the landscape of top recommendations. This shocking development means prioritizing a Roomba might not be your best bet, despite previous brand loyalty. Don't waste your hard-earned money on uncertain tech. Discover the true contenders. For the absolute best deals on these incredible smart cleaners, make sure to check the links in the video description right now before stock runs out. Number 1. Roomba Plus 505 Combo. While representing the best value within the Roomba lineup, faces severe future uncertainties and its 7,000 Pascal suction pales against competitors. Number 2. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni emerges as a strong contender, offering superior features like spinning mopping pads and robust obstacle avoidance at a comparable price point, making it a compelling alternative. Number 3. Narwal Freo X10 Pro is another excellent choice, providing powerful cleaning capabilities and smart navigation that outshine many other options on the market. Number 4. The Roomba Combo J7, though an older model, is frequently compared but lacks the legitimate scrubbing power and edge cleaning advancements seen in newer designs. Number 5. Similarly, the Roomba Combo 10 Max showcases previous limitations, highlighting why serious scrubbing power and future-proof design are paramount for today's smart homes. These leading robot vacuum mop combos offer diverse solutions for every need, but only some truly deliver peace of mind and sparkling floors. Choose wisely in 2025 to revolutionize your home cleaning routine.